So this is going to be a quick guide on how to use CapCut's Pro and Premium features for free. So as you can see right here, I have a video with a Premium feature. If I try to export it, it's going to show me that I have to pay for Pro, which I obviously do not want to do because it's like 30 bucks a month. So we're going to go back to the edit. You're going to want to select completely everything in your timeline. For me, it's only two things. You can either drag and select, or you can press Control A to select everything. Then you'll want to right click, create compound clip. That's going to create a compound clip, so it's going to combine all the video into one. Then you want to right click again. You want to pre-process compound clip. You see the percentage. Let the percentage finish. So now it is finished. Now click off the video anywhere. Just deselect all the video. And you'll see a path here. This is the path we need to find to our video. I will leave it in description. Which is gonna have username instead of your username. So you will put in your computer's name in here. Make sure you completely close CapCut. Close everything. Completely close CapCut. Open CapCut again. Either create a new video or open your already existing video. And then open the folder where the video is. So again, I will leave this path in the description. The video's name is 0204. It's gonna be whatever you name it. I didn't name it, so it automatically named it. Open it. Open resources, combination, and here we're going to have two videos. One is going to be smaller and one is going to be bigger. We want the bigger one. Open your CapCut and drag in the bigger file. This is now our completely edited video, which has all the premium effects on it. Now we can just hide the compound clip. The reason I do it like this is because if I ever want to make changes or make a different edit to this, you can undo the compound clip and make your changes and then redo this entire process. But now, I just hide it. As you can see, the video has the effect on it, and if I try to export, it lets us export the video. So I hope this is going to be helpful to someone.